Hello, this is Myra Elaine on the Buying Space channel. I'm doing an unboxing, and I've already unboxed the items. This is part 2 of the unboxing, and this is from Save Here First, and she sent this beautiful channel sticker. And this thank you card is also her business card that gives the hours and days that she has her auction, which is Monday at 6, Tuesday at 10 a.m., Thursday at 1 p.m., and Fridays at 10 a.m. So she's on Tuesdays and Fridays at 10, and she's on with Victoria, Adventures with Victoria, on Friday. So, and then she has Missy on with her sometimes, and lots of fun with all of her guests. Okay, Buying Space Myra, 3 necklaces. Oops, that gives it away for free. And she does this occasionally. She'll do a giveaway. She had, is it MK Treasures? She bought a lot of jewelry from MK Treasures at auction that she was, there was problems with it. So she went back, and MK Treasures got with her and sent her a bunch of more jewelry. And then she gave some of it away. So she passed along the generosity because MK Treasures gave her, I believe, free jewelry. But she definitely refunded the original lot she had gotten. So she passed all that savings along to her customers, which is wonderful because she didn't have to do that. None of these sellers have to do giveaways or events where they give away jewelry, or, you know, because all I did was put in a name and I got these for free. Now, if I hadn't ordered anything else, then I would have paid postage for this, but I didn't have to do that because I ordered other things from Ella. So here we have this beautiful necklace, and this looks like, I have seen these necklaces before with colored beads. That are paper wrappings. I've bought some from, I think, Kenya. And this is paper wrapping, homemade paper wrapping necklace. That is very unique. And the extender back here has a segment of wrap paper. But this is all hand done. Wow, that is neat. Let's see what else we have. Okay, here we go. This has a lobster claw clasp, and it's double-stranded, which was part of my confusion. It has this turquoise-looking stone. I don't know if it's halite. It has a tassel at the bottom, very lovely, and then a stone up here. This is feels plastic. I don't know if this is plastic or not. It might be, but it's a very unique piece. You hardly ever see this in a double-stranded with, you know, you've got like stone or faux stone, and then you've got a bead in the middle. It's a very unique style, and here's where it divides into the double strand. That's why it took me a minute, because the separating the other necklace from it. Excuse me. Oh, I see. This is a lobster claw clasp too. And this is a half moon and star piece. It's lovely. Nice and delicate. And so what happened was, since Ella was offering free items and then you would have to pay postage, it motivated me, and a lot of other people, to go ahead and buy more stuff from Ella. So these is the items I was motivated to purchase. Oh, I purchased this one necklace and a bunch of coat hangers. Oh, this feels cold. This is a nice necklace. Oh, and it's a hook. I see how it works. Nice, cold. That feels definitely like stone. These flat pieces like shell, and then the larger beads and stones. Very pretty. Very natural. There's only a couple pieces on here. There's a little bit of metallic pieces on here that don't look natural, but they are, I would say, naturalistic because they're metal, but they're not. They look kind of unprocessed, but it looks very vintage and antique. It may be vintage, but it's not, that's not the word I'm looking for. I mean, so there's something beyond naturalistic about it. It's definitely a piece that I could see women wearing thousands of years ago. So in a way, it's kind of timeless. See, we have the same pattern on both sides at the top. I had it pulled back unevenly. But I could see a tribal woman wearing this, whether she be Celtic or African. Definitely could see this being worn in ancient Europe too. So this is a beautiful piece. I don't know if it would pass a Society of Creative Anachronism standards or not, but if you were just hanging out with SCA people, I think they would appreciate this. So, very nice piece, Ella. Thank you for what you offer the community. You offer jewelry and coat hangers and other practical items. And Missy's right. Don't take that pillow out of the box. You'll never get it back in. Just like the piece of foam. But Ella invoices and ships very efficiently. And she's on so many times a week. I mean, I'm just amazed at her level of productivity. She is just awesome. You all have a wonderful and blessed day.